Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to the Custom Adventurous. Alright, so today I'll be checking out the Plaud Note, powered by ChatGPT. Let's do it. Alright, so this is an Indiegogo product that's been backed by over 7,000 people and has earned $1 million. And it's pretty legit, but it's still in its early stages. Let's get into the unboxing and let's check it out. So we got the box in front of us right here. We got the back. This is what it looks like. The front, little metal thing. We open up the side and we get another box that also says Plaud on it with that same product on the front. On the back we got nothing, side nothing. And let's open that up from the side with magnets and we get the product right away. Look at that thing. That is so thin. I like it. I like it a lot. All right, taking that out right now. Oh, flies up. Looking very good. Very, very thin. Very beautiful. Put that to the side. And behind that we get, looks like a little magnet thing. Okay. Oh, and we got a MagSafe little like wallet thing, like the Apple MagSafe type deal, but for the Plaud. Oh, look, and just stuck to my phone. What else we got in here? In this little box, we got some accessories. We have the charging cable. All right, looks like we've got magnets similar to those old smartwatch charging cables. Very, very cool. Awesome. Snaps right on there, just to charge up your Plaud Note. Let's go. And it looks like our Plaud Note fits right into the slot of the MagSafe wallet. That is beautiful. There's my real MagSafe wallet, and here's my Plaud Note. Let's go. That is awesome. So like I said in the beginning, this is an Indiegogo project that's been backed by over 7,000 people. It has earned over $1 million. So it's pretty legit, but overall, it's still in its early stages. I've received special access to talk about it before it goes fully public. I want to get into some real-time use of it to show you what it's like. All right, let's talk about how this thing works. So this is the Plaud Note. I got the app right here. And I'm going to be showing you guys a little bit about the app and how it works. So I got the Plaud Note right here in front of me. And so essentially what you do is all you got to do is you charge it up and you click this button. When the red light comes on, you're recording. See that? We're recording already, and here we go, testing. So we're testing it, ready, get set. Yeah. So the microphones are just on the top right here. And essentially to stop it, you just go like this again. And you stopped it. Then we can check our recording right there. Takes a second to transcribe and summarize all of it. We got the transcribe part right here, the ChatGPT part. We can also listen to how it sounds. And then we got this part right here. This is all the part that I transcribed. Okay, right here we got the subject. This is the ChatGPT part. This is the summary part. So it's actually really, really cool. Like for example, I used it today in my class for school. I got a 40-minute one right there. And if we click on that one, has the whole entire freaking class transcribed. Like look at this. It goes on for a long time. But it's all like written down in little, it's all, look at that. It has everything. It's just a ton of stuff. And then we can go to the ChatGPT side, and it talks about the summary, essentially what we talked about in my class. We talked about respect, empathy, neatness, non-transactional love, humility, openness, good listening skills, all this stuff in my nice class. We got a bunch of other modes as well. This is a little summary part as well. The mind map. This is like where it separates it into little groups right here. All this. Diary. Tons of cool stuff that you can do. Honestly, it's super awesome and it's like really easy to use. I was actually really surprised. So we can go here also. This is all my deal stuff. You can't look at that, but you can do it all from the app. And yeah, basically you charge it right here on the bottom. There's some charging tips, and so it's just a super useful little tool. Like you can just whip this out. You just stick it to the back of your phone like this. Turn it on. Leave it there. Act like nothing's happening. But obviously it's recording. And then as I'm talking, I can explain exactly, or it'll record everything. So if you're in your class, for example, and it talks about freaking writing or whatever, and it'll just transcribe it all, do the summary, so you can get all the most important things down, and you learn it all, essentially. You can go over those notes and all that stuff, and it's super freaking helpful. I love this thing actually a lot. But yeah, let's see how I did on the transcribing right there. So we can mark it. Oh, that's kind of cool. And pause, resume, save. It actually takes a second to transcribe. That's something that I've seen. It takes a minute, but it does it, and then the ChatGPT goes after that. So here we go. That's exactly what I was saying. That's so wild. We got the ChatGPT. Transcription tools can record and transcribe important information, making it easier to summarize and learn. These tools are particularly useful in educational settings, such as classrooms, where you can capture lectures and discussions. By transcribing and summarizing notes, students can ensure that they have all the essential information. Using transcription tools can be highly beneficial for studying and reviewing material. The ability to transcribe and summarize content can help improve comprehension and retention. Transactional tools offer a convenient way to review and revisit important information. That's what I have to say. Do whatever you want with it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and peace.